Okay, so this is a guided walkthrough for the Frida level, otherwise known as level number 19 from the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. Let's take a look at the mission.txt file for this level. What's going on here? So this is mission number 19, and the description says, the password of Eliza is the only string that is repeated when unsorted in repeated.txt. So in this mission, we've got a file called repeated.txt. Oops. If we read it, there's a bunch of potential passwords in here, and but if we want to find what the actual password is, we have to find the only string that is repeated when it's unsorted in this file. So we can do so with a certain command that's called the Uniq command inside of Linux, and we're going to run it with the -c argument to get the count, and we're going to run it on a specific file, which is repeated.txt. So when we run this command, it's going to tell us that most of these strings over here only appear once. But if we want to figure out which one appears more than once, we need to repeat the command, but pipe it into the sort command, which is going to give us the largest numbers at the bottom. So when we run this, we see that this is the only string that repeats in this file, which means that this is the password for the next level. And this is the password for the Eliza user. And let's, so before we finish this level, let's do a little after action report of how we solved this level over at GitHub. So GitHub here. So the level is the Frida level, okay. So let's edit this file and let's see. So the target user for this level was the Eliza user. Whoops, Eliza user. And the method of solving this level was to find the line in the file that is repeated. And the key command we used for this level was this one right here. Let me copy paste it. So we use the Uniq command and get the count for each line in the file right here. And then we sort it so that the repeated line ends up at the bottom of the output. Okay, so let's commit the changes. And so this was a guided walkthrough for the Frida level, otherwise known as level number 19, from the Venus CTF labs on HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.